Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Echo Show routines using Alexa and smart plugs step by step clearly. To configure Echo Show routines using Alexa and smart plugs, start by ensuring you have your Echo Show device set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the More icon in the lower right corner. Select Routines from the menu options. In the Routines section, tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. Enter a name for your routine to help identify it later. Next, select When this happens to set a trigger for the routine. Choose from options such as a specific time, voice command, or even a smart home device. If you opt for a voice command, enter the command you'd like to use. After setting the trigger, tap on Add Action. Select Smart Home from the list of action categories. Find and choose the smart plug you want to control. Decide whether you want to turn the smart plug on or off. Once you have set the action, tap on Add Action again if you want to include more actions, like adjusting brightness or playing music. You can add multiple actions if needed by repeating the previous steps. After adding all desired actions, review your routine to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, tap on Save to finalize the routine. To test if the routine works, utilize the trigger you've set. Watch your smart plug respond according to your configuration. You have successfully configured Echo Show routines using Alexa and smart plugs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.